This is a real quick video for all the fellow fans of sous vide everything. I know everybody is jealous of the mini flamethrower. This isn't quite that, but I did the best I could using a 16 ounce instead of the large propane tanks. My son and I went to Harbor Freight, got a cheap flamethrower for garden use. Went over to Ace Hardware, got a couple adapters, fitted them together. Works perfectly fine. It's not quite as good, like I say, as Guga's, but it works, and it's much smaller. My son wants to make a backpack out of it. These are the fittings that I got. The Throwaway cylinder adapter to a 1/2-inch male thread. Then we got a quarter inch. Then we got a 1/4 inch female to female adapter, little coupling. And then we got a adapter large tank valve. I'll go ahead and put the item numbers in the description, make it a little easier, but you can see there's the throwaway valve to the 1/4 inch female to female adapter, and then the large tank adapter, and the flamethrower bolts in. So this should be a lot easier. I'm cooking for a family of 5, and when you're going through a lot of steaks or a big roast, this works good, but it takes a little while. I usually just end up grabbing the MAP gas and going through it a lot quicker. But I mean, this works great, but takes a while when you're doing a lot of meat. So hopefully this should be a somewhat solution.